Hi everyone, welcome to National Biodiversity Channel. This channel recommended world animals. So let's go. The Eurasian brown bear, Ursus arctos arctos, is one of the most common subspecies of the brown bear, and is found in much of Eurasia. It is also called the European brown bear, common brown bear, and colloquially by many other names. The genetic diversity of present-day brown bears, Ursus arctos, has been extensively studied over the years, and appears to be geographically structured into 5 main clades based upon analysis of them used in ancient Rome for fighting in arenas. The strongest bears apparently came from Caledonia and Dalmatia. In antiquity, the Eurasian brown bear was largely carnivorous, with 80% of its diet consisting of animal matter. However, as its habitat increasingly diminished, the portion of meat in its diet decreased with it until by the late Middle Ages, meat consisted of only 40% of its dietary intake. Today, meat makes up little more than 10 to 15% of its diet. 8. Whenever possible, the brown bear will consume sheep. Unlike in North America, where an average of 2 people a year are killed by bears, Scandinavia only has records of 3 fatal bear attacks within the last century. 10. However, in late 2019, brown bears killed 3 men in Romania in just over a month. Over a month? Species origin. The oldest fossils are from the Chukotian, China, and date back about 500,000 years. It is known from studies that during the Pleistocene Ice Age it was too cold for the brown bear to survive in Europe except in 3 places: Russia, Spain, and the Balkans. Modern research has made it possible to track the origin of the subspecies. The species to which it belongs developed more than 500,000 years ago, and researchers have found that the Eurasian brown bear separated about 850,000 years ago, with one branch based in Western Europe, and the other branch in Russia, Eastern Europe, and Asia. Through research of mitochondrial DNA, researchers have found that the European family has divided into 2 clades, one in the Iberian Peninsula and the Balkans, the other in Russia. There is a population in Scandinavia that includes bears of the western and eastern lineages. By analyzing them, the southern population. Researchers have found that they have probably come from populations in the Pyrenees in southern France and Spain, and the Cantabrian Mountains, Spain. Bears from these populations spread to southern Scandinavia after the last ice age. The northern bear populations originate in the Finnish/Russian population. Probably their ancestors survived the Ice Age in the ice-free areas west of the Ural Mountains, and thereafter spread to northern Europe.